Each house is money. Each house to you should be a dollar sign. That's all I see when I see houses. I just see money. That's all it is for me because it's easy. How you doing? This is day 4 of me being in Hawaii. So I want to talk to you about the paradigm switching. So being in Hawaii or being anywhere else on vacation is not going to be a big deal. After some time, you'll realize that once you have your home cleaning business, because it's the technique, right? It's all about technique. It's not a secret here. It's just a technique. So this is my 5th vacation this year, as I told you before. And so I'm enjoying myself again with my wife, of course. We're here just having a nice time in Hawaii. Right now, while we're working, we're making about $650 a day. Not from us, not from our physical labor, but from our running our own home cleaning business. That's just how it works, right? So we're here having fun and they're working for us, right? We're making sure our employees are taken care of though too. You gotta take care of your people, you know? So let's get back to the beginning though. This is a paradigm switch. So I told you 3 days ago, when you're going to work, look at the houses you're passing by. Each house is money. Each house to you should be a dollar sign. That's all I see when I see houses. I just see money. That's all it is for me because it's easy to see them as money because more houses are in need of cleaning than there are cleaning businesses. This is why I do my videos. This is why I have my courses because there is room for everybody in this business to make a lot of money. Understand? And also too, like right now in Hawaii, I'm making business expenses. Every dinner I buy, every lunch I buy, it's a business expense. Why? Because I have my computer open and I'm looking at my numbers. That makes it a business expense. It's stuff like that that I do that I'm going to teach you how to do, okay? But again, so you're going to work, you're looking at houses. Each house you see is a dollar sign. Each dollar sign is freedom for you. I'm tired of you going to a boss who tells you when to go to work, when to go home, when to use the bathroom, and on and on and on. Are you not tired of that, right? And if you get to that point where you're tired of living that life, where you get no respect, right? You're just another cog in the wheel. And you're on that plantation. It's a plantation. I don't care what anybody says. Oh, he shouldn't say that. No room for that kind of nonsense. I don't do PC. I only do success for you. And the only way to make you successful is to first kick you in the butt to get you going. I don't want you to be on that 9 to 5 anymore. The first 4, 5, 6 months, you're going to be a one-person show on the weekends, right? You're going to do work on weekends. You can't think of the 9 to 5, right? Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. If Friday, go home and drink beer, go to the club, Saturday, same thing, whatever, or hang out with your boyfriend or wife, whatever. No. The Saturday and Sunday is when you start growing your business, when you start putting things together. What's my business name? How will I charge people for the work? What chemicals do I need for these houses? How do I start getting my before and after photos? It's things like that you want to use your weekends for, not to go to barbecues, not to watch Instagram reels and all that kind of stuff. You want to really make yourself effective. You want to do something with your life beyond working for somebody else. For all you guys out there making your 20 or 30 bucks an hour, whatever, the person you're working for is making 5 to 6 times that. Easily, right? Easily. We're making $650 a day. I'm in Hawaii. We're in the Waikiki Beach. We're up in the mountains a couple days ago. Tomorrow we're gonna rent a car and go somewhere, you know? And this isn't about bragging. It's about telling you what your life can be like. I have yet to see anybody as sincere as me trying to share with you what it takes to make a successful cleaning business. You start with that first $100, right? The first house you clean. Then 200. And then you're doing 2 houses on Saturday, right? Maybe one for 150, one for 200. 350 in one day. Are you starting to see this? Okay, 350 in one day, right? If you make $8 an hour, sorry, if you make $10 an hour, $80 a day, right? 80, 160, 240, 320. It will take you almost 4.5 days to make what you make on one Saturday. You starting to understand what I'm talking about here, guys? And then think about that if you did a Sunday for another $100, right? 450. And then think about that. You're looking down the road there and you see yourself doing it full time. Mastering your own destiny. No one tells you when to go to work. You tell the client, I'll be there at 9:30. You're setting the agenda, right? You, your own QC, quality control. You look after your own work. Make sure it's good. You tell yourself when to go. You're at the house, maybe you're doing a move out clean, no one's there, you want to take a break, you take a break, right? That's how that works. I want you today, again, to really think about where you want to be and start thinking about your business name, chemicals you're going to need for your business, what every house you pass by looks like to you. Is it a house or is it a dollar sign? Click the link below, guys. It doesn't go to my course. It goes to a freebie for you to look at what I'm talking about. It's simple. It's a 7-minute video. Then it shows you what chemicals to use for a house. Then at the bottom tells you what my day looks like as a business owner for my home cleaning business. You have to start doing for you. No one's going to care about you except for you. Your job, it's expendable. You're expendable. All the 9-to-5 people think, oh, they can't do without me. Yes, they can. Yeah, they can. The day you leave, they'll put the ad out the next day to hire somebody in your same spot. One cog goes out, one cog comes in. That's the truth. That's the raw truth. The home cleaning business is the best way, the fastest way, the most secure way to make money and guarantee wealth for your family, generational wealth. Once your business is established, even if you die the next day, but your business is established, you still have generational wealth for your family. Your 9-to-5 job does not give you that. It doesn't do that for you. There's no such thing as getting rich working for somebody else. Nobody gets rich working for somebody else. It just doesn't happen. You only make that kind of money when you're working for yourself. I want you to put in the comments below, if those of you out there who are brave enough, right? Tell me your business name. Tell me what every house to you looks like as you go to work. Tell me what your dreams are. Tell me something in the comments so we can talk about it in the comments. Let's get this going, guys. Let's get you going.